I'm not saying that colleges and high schools out there are worthless, because I got a lot of value out of them. I feel like I wouldn't be the person I am today without going through that process. But I also feel like it could have been better. And I also feel like they were setting me up to go out there and get a job, to work for the man. And me, I wanted something bigger. I wanted something more powerful. So I realized after I graduated that I could go on YouTube, that I could go online and take online trainings and learn from some of the best people in the world, people that are making 6, 7, 8, even 9 figures a year, and start learning from them and get mentored by them. And then I started going to new levels faster than I ever thought possible. See, out of college, I couldn't even get a job that would pay me $30,000 a year. Then within 5 years, I was able to make over $300,000 in 1 year. So that tells me something. That tells me that the education system needs to evolve. It needs to improve. And when I was in college, I kept finding myself looking up at the clock saying, when is class gonna end? And then I would look to the person to the right of me and they're asleep. And then the person to the left of me and they're looking at the clock more than I am, and they wanna go home. And I realized they're not present in class. I wasn't present there. I didn't want to improve. I didn't want to be there. And when you're not there, why are you even doing it? And I find myself when I'm doing online trainings and I'm working for myself, I'm looking at the clock for a different reason. I want to slow time down. I realize I don't have enough time. There's not infinite time, and I just want to keep working. I want to keep growing. I want to keep improving, and I want to keep giving to the world. And if you're feeling me right now, go ahead, leave a comment below, click the like button, share this with somebody that can inspire them to go out there and help the education system grow. That's the purpose for this video. I have a deep passion to help the world through online education and online training to take the world to the next level and make the world a better place. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you real soon. All right, peace.